Here's a quick guide in which you can enable dark mode for your OnePlus phone. So there's two ways to go about doing this, and one, you can always use the quick access here and simply just look for the icon that looks like this one here. And it'll tell you dark mode. A single tap will turn it on or off, so you can instantly turn it on and off from the quick access. Or once you see it here, you can long press it. It'll take you here and you'll get access to the dark mode settings here and the schedule settings. You can choose to set a schedule as to when it will turn on and off based on the sunrise, custom, light mode, or the dark mode where it's going to start and turn off. And then you can also go with this dark mode settings, which will allow for a few more adjustments such as the enhanced, the medium, and you'll notice things will be a little bit lighter instead of all black, and then the gentle, which will be much more on the gray side. These are all settings that can be found on your OnePlus phones, by the way, and you also got dark mode for third-party apps. So of course, if this guide helped you out in any way, you can always come back and turn this on and off at any given time, and make sure to turn off the schedule if you see it going on and off by itself, all right? So you can also go here and tap on it to disable it. And as I said, make sure you set the schedule to none if you don't want it turning on and off by itself. All right, and that's it. Like and sub.